Hi, my name is Frank Mainade. I work with MultiGP Drone Race League. I'm also a drone racing pilot, and we're out here today in beautiful Virginia Key. One of the best things that I liked about Drone College actually was the fact that we all got to come together and ask the right questions and find out what the right answers were, rather than having to search for them online or get 100 different answers from Google. It's nice to have an expert and someone that can tell you this is the way it is, this is the way it should be, and this is what you're going to find on your Part 107 exam, because essentially that's what we're all going here for. A little bit of simulator time, a little bit of inside, tiny whoop, small drone classes to get you ready to fly a real full-size quad. So one of the biggest benefits would be actually flying the quad, actually flying a small quad to a full-size quad. So you don't just go straight into it and maybe break an expensive piece of equipment, because nobody wants to do that.